do you say?
Sequoia.
No, what did you say?
Sequoia.
I'm telling your daddy you're going to get in big trouble. You're not supposed to say that. What's my name? That's right. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Go, bye, no, bye, no, we'll miss you. Hey, Gavin. Gavin, say hi. Hi, dear.
Hi. Say bye.
Where are you guys going?
To the bite. He comes to me because he wants to go. You see?
Where does he want to go?
Huh?
Where does he want to go?
He wants to go on my shoulder.
Oh, he does? Oh, competition. Bye.
Did you see? You never want to come to me, huh?
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. No.
Logan, give that to the dog. Logan, give that to Pepe.
Okay, I know. Okay.
Say hi, guys. Where are you guys going tomorrow? Where are you going tomorrow?
Logan, they're going on the plane.
We're going to Italy tomorrow. You're jealous, huh?
You are?
Yeah.
What about us?
She's a little bit jealous. Huh?
What'd you say? Oh, I'm telling your daddy. I'm going to show this to your daddy. You're not supposed to say that. You bad boy.
We don't go. Wait.
What are you going to say?
Hey, you got chocolate for this guy? Huh? Chocolate.
Oh.
Right?
Hey, can we put Logan in timeout? I think you need to punish him.
Yes. No. Logan, you have to go to timeout.
Yes.
Why?
No.
Tell him. You said the word how many times? I got it on video. That's right. You get in the naughty chair.
Okay, tonight we gotta go.
Go in the naughty chair. Sit there. Timeout.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Kathy,
Bye.
Kathy, put him in timeout.
Say bye-bye. See you guys
No,
later.
bye.
Kathy, put him in timeout.
Don't sit down, okay? You better listen. Don't sit
Bye.
down, okay?
Okay, look,
You know what I
Gavin.
said?
No, tell him to say bye.
Gavin.
No, don't put on your
Bye.
Gavin.
Bye.
Go give No a kiss. Go give him a kiss.
You're gonna stay on the house?
You gonna give me a kiss?
What are you
Give
gonna
him a
do?
kiss.
No, that's not gonna be
Mwah.
home.
Mwah.
You gonna
Mwah.
come here? You gonna come
Bye.
here, mommy here? And on the house?
Bye.
Cause
You going?
See, Alores here.
We're not gonna go.
Yeah.
Okay, Laura, that's not.
La cucaracha.
Kathy, just said it again.
Say,
Come
La
here, put it in the-
cucaracha. Say.
I want to see what he says.
Say.
Okay, Logan.
No.
Go to timeout. Go to
You wanna
timeout.
go?
No way.
No, I'm bored. You
Logan,
already
go
went
to
there.
timeout. Right now.
Yeah, you
One.
have to go
Wait, you wanna go upstairs?
Two.
Huh? No.
Go.
No.
Yes.
No.
Logan, come on.
You wanna go out?
No.
You wanna go out?
Or what?
Huh?
I'm talking.
Where you wanna
Don't
go?
tell me to stop. Big go.
Where?
I'm kidding.
Tell me, guys. Yeah. Come here, kid.
I'm not that.
Okay,
You're
tell me
lucky
where.
that you're with Nona.
Give me my hand. Give me that. Tell me where you wanna go.
Logan got in trouble. Logan got in trouble.
Thanks for going.
Kathy, fix it.
No.
You wanna go out?
Fix it. Who's pretty ugly? No. That's mean, Logan.
No, we can't go there. We already went there.
Oh, you're going to get in trouble from Daddy now.